All right, so the first thing I usually look at is the artwork size column. So this is the size that you want your artwork to be. So for example, if we pick the 8 by 10, this is what the size our piece is going to be. The second thing we're going to look at is going to be our image print size. So that is the image that we're going to use as our reference photo, what size we're going to print it. So we are going to look at that column based on our artwork size. So if we pick the 8 by 10, our image is going to be 8 by 10 as well. So pick your artwork size based on your time, what media you're going to use, how much detail you want to have, how intricate your image is. Just think about all of those things once you're picking your artwork size. Once you've picked that and you've picked your image size, what we're going to do is we're going to start to create our document of the image print size. So we are going to start creating a Canva document. So we are going to start create new design. We are going to basically do a letter size document, which is going to measure 8.5 by 11 inches. So this is going to open a new document. We are going to go on uploads and we're going to pick our image. We are then going to check back our image print size. If we want our artwork to be 8 by 10, it's going to be 8 by 10. And we're going to look at the little box in the corner that is going to tell us, as you can see, 7.5 by 10. So we're going to keep making it bigger and making it bigger until we reach that 10 by 8.5. If you double click it, you can kind of like frame it however you want it. And that's it. You download it and you print it. Now, super quickly, for example, if we wanted our image to be 9 by 12, it's 4.5 by 6, the print size. So like I can just add a new page, same image. I'm just gonna grab the corners. Usually I start by the corners, and then if I need to fix it, I'll just drag the sides a little bit more. But as you can see, 4.5, and then it's 6.1. So I'm just gonna drag that side just a tiny bit until it's 4.5 by 6. You can pick if you want to center it or not. And that's all. You can just download it and print it and you're ready to go. Now quickly going back to our document, if you want it like a 12 by 16, it's 6 by 8 and so on. If you look at the middle column, like the second column, that's the surface size. So that's the size you're going to cut your paper in. So if it's 8 by 10, you're going to cut your paper 10 by 12. And then you're going to measure a 1-inch border, tape it off, and then start creating your artwork inside of it. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you need extra help.